Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher. So my dear students, today I am here with a second part of story Latula the Top from your English textbook. So my dear students, in previous or first part of this story, you learn that there was a top whose name was Latula and she belonged to Ria. The color of Latula is red and yellow. So students, in this story, Latula loved to spin. She think or she said that she is the dancing top. And in the story, she had a little fight with the big table and the chairs of the Ria's house. So students, now I am going to told you about the next part of this story. Now we are going to know what happened when all the tables and chairs chased Latula. So students, let's start the story. Baglu was looking for a house to rob. The tables and chairs had left the door open. Baglu saw that. Wonderful, he said and slipped inside. So students, when the tables and chairs chased Latula, they had left the door open and the Baglu, who was a thief, was looking for a house to rob. And he saw that the tables and chairs had left the door open. Now, the Baglu was glad to see this and he said, "Wonderful," and he slipped inside the house. The tables and chairs chased Latula. "Catch me if you can," hummed Latula. She spun around the big table. She bounced on the big chair. She tickled the small table. She made circle around the dining chair's legs. So students, when the tables and chairs were going to chase Latula, Latula hummed and said, "Catch me if you can." And she spun around the big table and bounced on the big chairs, and she also tickled the small table and made circle around the dining chair's leg. "Catch that top," yelled the big table. So students, big table then again shouted, "Catch that top," or "Catch the Latula." The dining chairs tried. The big chair tried, the small table tried, but Latula zipped around so fast and they all fell into a heap. So students, listening to big table to catch that top, the dining chair, the big chair and the small table all tried to catch her. But Latula zipped around so fast and all the chair and tables fell into a heap. Latula decided to rest for a while. The mosquito family were flying around too. They saw Latula resting on the ground. The flying saucer, teeny mosquito, shivered. Now students, after this, Latula decided to rest for a while. At that time, the mosquito family were flying around too, and they saw Latula resting on the ground. And after watching Latula resting on the ground, the Tino mosquito shivered and he said, "The flying saucer." "Let's check," said Granny Mosquito. "It's just a top," she cried. So students, when the Tino mosquito shivered, the Granny Mosquito decided to check and see. After watching Latula, she said, "It's just the top and it's not a flying saucer. Wait, we will teach you to chase us out," the mosquitoes shouted. So students, when the Granny Mosquito know that it is a top, then she said, "Wait, we will teach you to chase us out." And all the mosquitoes shouted. "Time to go home," Latula sang. She flew off. "Now students, it's time to go home." After saying this, Latula flew off. The mosquitoes followed. Now students, mosquitoes also followed the Latula. Baglu was busy filling his bag with stolen things. Latula flew bang into his face. The mosquitoes flew zoom into his face. The tables and chairs went slam into Baglu. Baglu fell flat on the floor. The mosquitoes began to sting him. The tables and chairs fell on top of him. Now students, here at the house, Baglu was busy filling his bag with the stolen things from the house. And Latula saw this and she flew bang into his face, and all the mosquitoes flew zoom into his face, and tables and chairs also slam into Baglu. After this, Baglu fell flat on the floor, and the mosquitoes began to sting or bite him. The tables and chair also fell on top of him. "Yay! Eh, yeah!" yelled Baglu. Now students, Baglu screamed with pain because the tables and chair fell on the top of him and mosquitoes began to bite him. Ria woke up. Her mother and father woke up. "What's happening?" they cried. So students, after listening the scream of Baglu, Ria and her father and mother woke up and they cried, "What's happening?" Latula quickly rolled under Ria's bed. Ria and her mother and father came running out. So students, after this, Latula quickly rolled under the Ria's bed, and Ria and her father came running out. "Who are you?" they asked Baglu. "What are you doing here?" said Baglu. He tried to get up, but the tables and chairs were too heavy. Now students, when Ria and her mother came out of room, they saw Baglu and they asked, "Who are you? And what are you doing here?" Now Baglu said, he is feared because he was caught. So he was frightened. Now Baglu tried to get up, but the tables and chairs were too heavy. Latula saw his bag. She rolled out and spun around his bag. He got a bag, Ria cried. What's in that bag? Now students, Latula saw the bag of Baglu and she rolled out and spun around the bag. Then Ria cried, He's got a bag, and what's in that bag? Baglu tried to grab his bag and run. Thief! Cried Ria, catch him! Latula whirled under his feet. Baglu fell down and was caught. My smart little top, cried Ria. Latula danced a happy little dance. Now, students, Baglu tried to grab his bag and run away from there. After this, Ria cried, Thief! Catch him! And Latula whirled under his feet. It means she moved round and round very quickly under the feet of Baglu. Baglu fell down and was caught. Then Ria proud to her little top and she said, My smart little top. Then Latula danced a happy little dance. So students, this was the second part of the story. I hope you enjoyed the story. Now let's do the comprehension from this chapter. Question number A. Take the correct words to complete the sentences. So students, in this question you have to take the correct word to complete the sentences. The first one is Baglu was looking for a house to buy, rob or sleep. So students, you know very well in the story I had told you Baglu was looking for a house to rob because he was a thief. So you have to tick the option number B. The next one, the blank chased Latula. So students, here our answer will be tables and chairs. The tables and chairs chased Latula. Now the next one, Latula bounced on the students. When all the table and chairs were chased Latula, then Latula bounced on the big chair. So here your answer will be big chair, option number A. Now let's come to the fourth one. Latula tickled. Yes, Latula tickled the small table. So here your answer will be option number A. Now students, let's come to the question number B. Who said these words? Write their names. So students, let's do it. The first one, wonderful. So students, these word was said by Baglu when he saw the tables and chair had left the door open. So here you have to write Baglu. Now in next one, catch me if you can. So these words was said by Latula. So here you have to write Latula. Latula, Latula. The next one, catch that top. These words are said by big table. So you have to write here big table. The next one, it's just a top. These words were said by big table. So here you have to write big table. And in next, my smart little top. These words are said by Granny Mosquito. So here you have to fill Granny Mosquito. Now students, let's come to the question number C. Answer these questions. Now students, you have to answer the following question. In this video, I am going to explain the answer of this question and you have to write the answer of this question from the PDF that is given in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Let's come to the question number first. What was Baglu looking for? So students, Baglu was looking for a house to rob. So this is the answer of question number first. Now let's come to the question number 2. Who left the door open? So students, the tables and chairs had left the door open. So this was the answer of question number 2. Now let's come to the last question, question number 3. What did the mosquitoes do when Baglu fell flat on his back? So students, the answer of question number 3rd is the mosquitoes began to sting him. Now the comprehension or exercises of this chapter is completed. I hope you understood the second part of this story and the exercises of this chapter very well by the help of this video. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you students. Bye and take care.